how to add a trusted connection on Roblox. So the first thing you need to do is open up Roblox in the app. You can't do this in the browser, and click connect. Now click my QR. This is the QR code you want to show your friends so they can scan and become trusted friends, or you can copy the link and send it to them on any sort of messaging service. So just like on your laptop, if you want to do it on your phone, you'll need to download the app, click connect, click add from QR code, and then this is your QR code. You can see at the bottom you've got the same shareable link, and you can share that to any sort of app you want. Or if you click the button in the top right corner, this is how you scan other QR codes. So just scan it. As you can see, my other account's there. Just press add connection and you're done. So if you receive a invitation, you can just accept it at the top of your screen like that, and you're connected. If you want one of your current friends to become a trusted connection, all you need to do is click on their profile picture, click on the three dots next to chat, and as you can see there, it says add trusted connection. I've already sent a request, so it's blanked out for me, but if you click that, it will send it to them. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.